I think we're lost. Do you know where we are? Hi guys, we are just here walking in the bush. I don't know where we are, but in the forest. So I'm taking my hubby to walk because I think he's very fat now.
Hey, it's in the same clothes you wore yesterday.
No.
Yes, it was.
So we are going for a walk. No, it's not in the forest. And what's that?
What's that? No, gollywog.
What?
Gollywog. That's one. What's the camera at?
A swang.
That's one.
It's not a swang.
Did you show him?
What's this? So this is a very nice place to walk. So you can have a barbecue here if you want. Is that electric barbecue?
Yeah, just push the button and stuff.
Yeah, you just press the button and you can cook here in a barbecue. So if you have no gas at home and you want to cook something, just cook here, can you? Electric barbecue.
I presume so.
Yeah? How does that work? Push the button to operate when light... Oh, there it is. Push button on to operate when light is on indicates heating period. What?
Says gas.
Sige.
See?
So we are in the Chinaman's garden. Why is this called a Chinaman?
When you hold it properly so people can see it properly. Ah, deeper.
Ah, Wong.
Wong.
A Wong.
This is a building in the backyard. Yeah.
Huh? It's cold lagi.
Move some fat muscles.
So we're just gonna go in for a...
I'm gonna break a record.
Oh my god.
It's pretty.
Pretty.
A tree. Look. See? Look, where's your camera? Look. The ducks aren't supposed to go on trees. They live in the water.
Why are ducks in the tree? Oh, I think we can go down there. Can we? Oh, look. No. Okay.
Yeah.
No, I'm not going there.
Huh?
Let's go down.
Go where?
Go hold this for me and I'll go first. There.
Huh? Wait, I'll go first.
No, I go
Where?
first. Oh yeah, you go first. Oh my god, this is scary.
He's right there.
Oh my god.
He's right there.
Be careful. No.
He's right there.
Slippery. Okay,
Wait, wait, right there. Siggy, don't sit down.
Why not?
Stand up.
No. How can we get... Ah!
Huh?
How are we gonna go back up? Lala?
Goodness, scared.
Oh my god, that's stiff.
Huh?
Look at that. Huh? That is stiff. Now there's a lake too in here. So guys, let's have a look around what's happening. Here we go. Is there fish here? Is there fish here?
Yeah, probably.
No way. No. So that's the lake. Oh, hang on. There's so many ducks around there. Huh?
Ready?
Try it. No way.
Huh?
We used to do that in Philippines.
And jump in there.
Yeah.
Show me.
No,
Why?
it's cold. I'm not gonna go in there. Oh my goodness. Mama! Don't you ever push me. I push you back. Where's this river go?
Goes all the way to Murray. Yeah, Murray, Chuka. That's the dead body there.
Oh my god, let's go around there and go up there on the other side.
Huh?
Go up there and the other. No way.
You walk first.
There's no path
Come on.
in there, I think. No, 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 no.
Huh?
Is there a path there?
Why'd you go under it? Just go over it. Huh? Look, what? You bar?
Oh god, there's no path in here.
Watch that slippery, you fall in.
I thought there'd be a path here.
Is there?
Oh, there is one. Oh goodness.
Nah.
Hey, there's one there going there.
The stairs.
Yeah.
Snakes. Ready? Here I come. Huh? Huh?
It's so deep. It's a big hole in it.
There.
Huh? That tree got a big hole. No, we're in a bush. We're a big tree. Oh, my kangkong. We can get firewood from here. Look at these purplish flowers.
If we're at the bikes, we can explore.
Next time.
Huh?
Next time.
Put the GoPro on it.
You're not ready. You should have said.
Look, marijuana bags.
Is it? Is it?
Mm-hmm.
No.
Shabu bags.
Allah, serious?
Yeah.
Is that a shabu bug? Can I smell?
No, I smell. Oops, that please. Come on. Oh,
I know. Oh yeah?
he must have run away and threw him. Oh, it's okay now. You can climb that tree.
Hmm.
No, see? Let's go.
Maybe.
Huh?
Oh, hang on. I have an idea.
Not too close.
Like that.
Then you can zip it in.
Like that. Very gently. Very gently. And then.
Oh, trees right there. Oh.
I'm gonna slow pace. You're not even taking me. Again. Ah!
He said don't fall off.
Huh?
He said don't fall off.
Woo! Ouch, that hurt my arm.
What's this?
This is the flood measurement. Because usually this area is always flooded. So the water goes up there.
I can't pass through 2010. That's where
That's
the,
2010, that's
that's
where
what-
the water is.
the water was all the way down. And imagine the 93, all that road would have been closed off.
Yeah.
I think last year hit that.
That's new, isn't it? I just found a duck. don't see there.
Oh no.
Where is it? There.
Walk it closer.
You can see my finger. So there's a duck there. I don't know why the duck lives in a tree.
That's a wood duck. Walk it closer.
You can't.
Huh?
You better do it.
Huh?
No, I lost it. Where is it?
Oh my goodness, what are you doing?
It's too zoom. I couldn't find them. Oh, there's two in there now.
Didn't see four in there. Huh?
No, because I was. So this is Aboriginal land. So it's got a history.
Yeah, that's not in order. House of flats, and it's still there. I've never been out here.
Let's go. Are we in the right direction? I don't know where we're going. Hindi namin alam kung saan yung pabalik sa highway kaya. We're lost. I think we're lost. Are you sure that's the right path? Oh my god. I'm so tired now. Look at this. Look at this flower. Pretty. I don't know where we're going, Dee. Are we lost?
You said this way.
Oh my goodness. Hope not. Oh my god, I'm so tired. We've been walking like for an hour. Oh no, I don't have fats to burn. I don't have any fats to burn.
You watch when we go back. She'll cook rice.
I'm gonna have ice cream after this.
She'll cook
I
rice.
burned so much calories today, so I'm gonna have some ice cream. Are you sure we're in the right direction, Dee? Ouch! Okay, there's a stick on my foot.
Look, I can go in flip flops.
My flip-flops. Ay, my goodness, we're in the middle of nowhere. In a forest.
When the settlers come to Australia first, this would have been like no water, no food.
Yeah. Well, they can use the water from the lake, can they?
No, drink that water.
Boil it.
Oh, well, I suppose, yeah, what? With what? Whether they had matches.
Well, you know how to make, they know how to make fire.
But it's a lot thicker than this.
And then if you need food, then there's ducks. You just shoot the ducks and cook it.
See, back then, this was so thick that you couldn't see in front of you. It was just, it was untouched bush. Like, you know, it's probably 10 times worse than this. Like, you couldn't walk through there, like a horse couldn't walk through there. But now, since,
Be good if you have a horse and you live here in the middle of
but now,
nowhere.
the last 100 years, it's all been cleared to this.
What's clear? There's not even clear. There's so much trees around.
No, that's nothing trees what it was 200 years ago,
Look.
300 years
Look how
ago.
much trees out there, guys.
200, 300 years ago.
My God, I'm tired. You know what? In the Philippines, we used to pick this. We used to pick this in the forest. We used to pick this
Yeah, shade,
firewood. This makes a very good firewood
shade.
shade. You know? Ouch! I remember when I was a child, we used to collect firewood from the forest. And
Many years ago, when she was a child.
yeah, but now this is just a memory. Because we still use firewood, but sometimes it always rains.
All right, now which way home?
I don't know.
You said to go left.
I don't know where we're going, so either we go left or we go right. I think we go left this time.
Always left.
Yeah, I think so.
We're going to itchy bungot.
What boat?
That's snake.
Oh my god, this is snake. No, it's not. So we're gonna turn left, I think.
So this would have been here when the first explorers came through.
See, look at that. Look at that tree. It's so big. See, that could be a good firewood.
It was. So I reckon for every ring
Is the age of the tree.
is
Oh, good, it's a lot of wrinkles.
10 years. Yeah, looks like you.
Oh, I found a bohol here.
Chocolate hills.
Chocolate hills. All right, let's go. Can you hear that? That's kookaburras. They're the laughing birds of Australia. Let's listen to the sound of nature. Why are they laughing? We really are lost, but I think we are getting closer to the highway.
What is your friends?
What?
The guy? Turn the light?
Yeah. I think we're lost. Do you know where we are? You know where we are? I think we're gonna find our way because we can see the highway, so we're probably we probably still walking on this bush. I don't know. I think we're gonna be fine. Now we find the main path, so we finally made it out on the bush. Whew, bilang. So we finally made it. We found the bush. I mean, we found the road. So we came back from there. Ah, that was awesome. Whew. Meron diyang nice bridge.
I feel like a Big Mac.
Oh my god. Then you just cheated your calories. You're gonna put some more calories. You just burned some.
And what am I supposed to eat?
Don't eat. Have a drink.
A beer?
A shake drink.
Yes.
No, not a shake.
Vanilla?
The what do you call that? The diet drink. What did they made this bridge for?
This is my closest suspension bridge.
Huh? Hala! My! Ayaw! No, look how much beer's there. Agay, di ayaw, di! Oh my god. Don't shake it. Okay. La! Mama mia! No!
Come here.
No! Agay! Buang maning gilik-lihok. I'm not.
Come here.
Oh my god, that's scary.
Come on, see
No.
Siggy.
Hala, imagine if they're full.
It won't fall. Let's walk across again.
Ayaw ba? Hala! My god! The screws are moving! Hala. Ah!
Come on, honey. Huh?
Imagine if it's full, right? I'm so tired. I'm gonna walk under the bridge. I'm so tired now. We're nearly finished. So this is the bridge. Under the bridge. Under the bridge. So you got so many graffiti here. Where's shawarma? Needles. Where? So this is under the bridge. Look like there's no squatters here. Oh, can you hear that? Cars. Look.
7 serial number. It's 2007.
What's that noise?
You'll probably find that moves. It's a rubber. That can move a little bit back and forward. There's a system of rubber. It's expansion joints.
There's a cracking, are they?
This summer, so that's the original bridge there. So from there to there's the original bridge, and then they added 2 outside ones. Rock.
Oh, that's a big
When it
noise.
rains, it comes out there.
Oh yeah.
Like, water seeps through there, you know.
It floods here when it rains a lot. Finally arrived in the highway from the bush, and we're gonna have a look at this memorial park.
Deckard, drive sim. Oh, that's a simulator.
So this is a memorial park.
What? There, right?
How are they?
Gallipoli. That's marble.
Huh?
Marble.
So these are the names of the soldiers
Yep.
that died in a war.
It's Captain Murray. No, Malaran.
Wait. Chinese. Thompson, Smith, Phillips.
You see some brothers.
Yeah.
Corporal, Lieutenant, Captain, Private. So this is from 1914 to 1918. The people that lived here, they come from America. The original pilot. So McCarthy. See? Good name. Good fellas. Just memories.